Oh, Sammy. She says, I just got out. Oh, yeah.
Good job, Sammy. Look at you.
Easy, boys. Barley! Well, the water gives you some kind of crazy energy. Sammy! Sammy! Lola! No, no, no. Lola! You want to play in the water? No. Oh, Max. Whoa, Sammy. Can you bring her back to the little room, please? The little room, can you get your dogs out? Thank you. Oh, Max, you're a goof. Lucy, come play in the water, Lucy. Go get it, Stella. Oliver. Hey, Barley. Lola, you want to get in? Come on, Stella. Stella. Come on, I know you like it. You were already in there before I even got a chance to start the camera. You gonna get in, Oliver? Go ahead, get in. Oh, there's Stella. Lucy, come on, Lucy. Come on, Lucy. Thank you. Thank you, Barley, for rubbing your face all over me. Millie Moo. Millie, what are you doing? Cinnamon! Cinnamon buns! Come on, Cinnamon!
Are you still back here?
I'm in the middle of a video. Hold on a minute. Dylan, come on. Dylan, leave the neighbors be. Come on, Stella, you too. Leave the neighbors be. They haven't had their turn yet. Gonna get in, Lola? Or Oliver? No?